Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add sounds on a photo content on a TikTok by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is open the CapCut application, and after we arrive in the first page, we just need to go in the plus button to create the new post. Since you want to create a photo, you just need to click the photo section, and after that you can capture the photos directly, or you can also uploading the photo that you already have on your device. So you just need to upload this. Okay, let's go into the photo, choose the picture, and after you're done, just click next. So to add sound, you just need to go into this right upper corner here, the symbol, just need to click it, and after that you can search the music that you want to have for your video by click the search button, or you can just like search by yourself the sounds that probably you want to have specifically. For example, like love. Okay, and then after that you just need to find out which love that you want to have. And now the photos already have the music on it, so after you satisfy with everything, just click this to upload into your account. So that's all today's tutorial. If you find this really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.